Hello, children. Today we are going to discuss 2024-2025 O-Level Max paper, question number 3, that is related to trigonometry. In a competition, the competitors had to run up an inclined plane, climb up a vertical ladder, and then slide down another inclined plane. The side view of the two inclined planes and the vertical ladder used for this are denoted by AC, DE. AC and DE are inclined, CD respectively. CD is the vertical ladder in the figure. Here ABE is a horizontal plane. AC equal BE equal 50 meters. CAB equal 26 degree 10 minutes. BCD is perpendicular to ABE and DC and BC are equal. Copy the given figure in your answer script and include the given information in it. So we have to copy the diagram. So I have copied the diagram. So you can redraw the diagram for your purpose. I have just copy and paste to make it easy. So you can draw it. Here we will mark the data's information given here. According to that, we will highlight the information. These are the information provided. This. So the highlighted part are the information. So we can mark the information in the diagram. So AC and BE equals to 50 centimeter, 50 meter, sorry. AC equal to BE, that is equals to 50 meter. This also 50 meter. Here this part also 50 meter. CAB equal 26 degree 10 minutes. This angle is 26 degree and 10 minutes. 10 minutes. BCD is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means right angle, perpendicular. DC equal BC. DC and BC are equal. So this part is equals to this. BC and DC are equal. Using trigonometric ratios, show the difference between the incline of DE, that is DEB. DEB, this angle. DEB, this angle. DEB, and the incline of AC, that is CAB, is more than 50. CAB is already calculated. They have given 26 degree 10 minutes. We have to calculate DEB. In order to calculate an angle in trigonometry, we need minimum two sides. So here only one side, this side is marked. Only this side is given. In order to find an angle, we need minimum two sides. To find this side, so we can find this side. That's what the information given related to this triangle. So we can find this side using trigonometric ratios for this angle. This is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse side. Opposite and hypotenuse is connected with sine. So sine angle is sine 26 degree 10 minutes is equals to sine formula is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC, that is not given, over hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side is marked as 50. So in trigonometric tables, in sine table, you can check this value similar to logarithm. You can check this value in sine table. I have already explained how to go through the sine table and copy paste. If you check the answer, sine 26 degree 10 minutes is 0.4410. So we can take division 50 to other side. It will change as multiplication 50 is equals to the length of BC. If you multiply these two answers, the answer is 22.05 meter. Here the children, if it is difficulties to multiply, if you have faced difficulties to multiply, here that is easy. You can multiply it by 5. and add zeros and keep the decimal. If it is hard, you can use logarithm table, but it will take more time for this question. So we have calculate the length of BC. So BC and DE are equal means we found the length of, we can find the length of BD now. BD, because these two parts are equal means 22.05 should multiplied by 2, or else you can add twice, that is the length of BD. If you multiply or if you add, you will get 44.1 meter. That is the length of BD. So in this triangle, now you can consider this triangle. For this triangle, we got two sides. For this triangle, we have two sides now. One side is here, for this is opposite, and this side is adjacent. Opposite and adjacent is connected with tan. So tan trigonometric ratio, tan, the angle, name of the angle is DEB. This angle is DEB. Tan DEB angle is equals to, tan formula is opposite over adjacent. Opposite side is BD, that is 44.1 over adjacent side is 50. So we can divide this, that is, if you divide, you will get 0.882. We have to check this value in tan table, so we have to make it as 4-digit number, so we have to add a 0. So how to tan inverse, you have to check this value tan inverse in this table, tan table. So we will get DEB, this is tan DEB is equals to, like anti-logarithm inverse tan, we have to check tan DEB value is, if you check 0.8820, the value you will get is 41 degree 24 minutes. That is the value of this angle, 41 degree 24 minutes. So the question is, using the trigonometric ratios, show the difference between DEB and CAB. Difference means is more than 15, you have to show. Difference means we have to subtract. So DEB minus CAB, because they're asking you to find the difference, so we have to deduct 41 degree 24 minutes minus CAB is given as 26 degree 10 minutes. If you subtract, you will get 15 degree 14 minutes. So you have to use here also the crocodile mouth is more suitable. 15 degree 14 minutes. 14 minutes is greater. They're asking you to show more than 15 degree. This is the final answer. So children, related to trigonometry, this is one of the easiest question when we compare to the other past papers. You no need to find logarithm. You can easily multiply and divide. Easy multiplication, easy division. So simply here cos table also not given. So sine and tan are the very easiest trigonometric ratios. You can find the answer quickly and easily without wasting any time within the shortest time period. So if you have written like this, you will get 10 out of 10. You can write 15 degree 14 minutes is more than 15 degree. Okay, thank you.